Okay, hi people once more. So now let us start the recording. Like, like I've told you on the other video that here it should be period 12, it should be 28 Feb 2014. Here you leave it as a G. Which account are we going to start with? We are going to start with our capital. Here they said GJ 12. Then here they said we must use balances. Now, I hope you know that our capital, it is credited. So make sure that when you type this amount, you double check your amounts because it will not balance. How are you going to see that it balances? At the bottom here, where it says imbalance. When we are done typing the amount on the debit side, on the credit side, it must write this imbalance, which shows that the debit side is equal to the credit side, or the credit side is equal to our debit side, like that. Because check now, if I press enter, do you see that it gives you this amount? What does this amount mean, symbolizing? It symbolizes that your credit side is more with 345,255. So to balance it, this amount, it should be debited so ready to write in balance. But I'm not there for now. I was just telling you that. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let me quickly show you this part again. Because you'll be asking me, where am I getting this amount from? These are the amounts that I'm talking about. Okay, so the next amount that we have here is what? Is drawings. Remember, when you do the note for owner's equity, you will say what? You will say capital less drawings. So that's the reason why this 124,000, it will be debited because it minuses the drawings. So that's the reason why when we go to our pastel, we are going to say drawings. Where are you? We are going to debit it. Then after that, we have bank. Our bank, what is anything that did they say anything about bank? Now, this one, it is very, very important as well. This part. Please note that the bank account has favorable, positive balance. So if it's a positive, it's debited. If it's unfavorable, it will be credited. Or if it's an overdraft, it will be credited as well. So please understand that. If it's positive, it's debited. If it's unfavorable, or if it's negative, it will be credited. So you need to read this statement so that you can understand. So our bank is 380. It's debited, remember? 380. Then we have, I hope you know that creditors control, there will be credited. Okay. Now, service rendered, it also credited 240,000. discount as well. Now, this one, they are credited. Then all the expenses, they will be debited. All the expenses. 26,000. Now, where are all these amount that I'm talking about? They are here. These are the amounts that I'm recording that side. So just have a look at them. Okay, let us go there now. We 26. So now I want to water and electricity, which is 13,440. I want to which is wages, 30, 80, sorry, each DJ 12 here, it does not change. It should be 30, 85, like this. We go again, 23, advertising. Advertising is 10, 10, like that, 24. Insurance is 9960, 25. Stationery is 35, 35, 26. 26 is 85. Lastly, 27 is debited with 1575. Now, I hope you can see that after recording all these amounts on the debit side and on the credit side, it still remains what? In balance. So, what is the next step after this? Let me go to the question paper. Now, for 20 marks, they are saying print the journal badge listing with contra. For how many marks? 20 marks. Now, how are we going to do that? Okay, let me just go there. So you are going to print with, you understand? You'll print with contrast, then you'll get your 20 marks just for doing this. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I don't need it now, but they might say here, you must print the entry types. But what you will need to do as a student, you will need to print this one first, even if they ask you anything. Like they are not saying you must print, but you must print it so that you can be able to see this period. Now, I'm going to update it now. I'm going to update it. Now, the moment I update it, it's gone for good. There's nothing that I can change now here. Are we together? Okay. Let me pause here for now because I don't want this video to be long. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.